Right.
Wish you happy Sri Ramanavami.
Very good.
Today is the auspicious appearance day of Lord Ramachandra. So we are traveling village and every villages to try to spread the remains of Lord. So every day, every Sunday we do two programs in two villages. One is in Kannur and evening at Shirala, sometimes Chinkalpudi, sometimes Inkollu, sometimes we go to Bhakatla and we travel to Machilipatnam. So surrounding villages, you can see all the village atmosphere there. So we travel like this in these villages and we try to spread the holy name and the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Today is Lord Ramachandra's appearance day. Vitarasi Dikshu Rane Dikpati Kamaniyam Dashamukha Mauli Balim Ramaniyam Keshavadrita Rama Sharira Jai Jagadisha. Lord Ramachandra appeared as a Maryada Purushottama. So Lord Ramachandra, Lord Gauranga and Jagannath are the same. Jai Jai Jagannath Sachiranandan Tribhuvane Kore Jai Charana Vandan Leela Chale Shanka Chakra Gada Padmadar Nadia Nagare Danda Kamandalukar. So the same Lord appeared as Jagannath in Neelachala Dham with Shanka Chakra and Gada Padma, and Nadia Godrum and Nadia Nagare Danda Kamandalu. In Nadia, in Navadvip Mandala, in Mayapur, he appeared as a sannyasi, as Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And the same Lord appeared as Lord Keho Bole Pura Be Ravana Vadila, Golokere Vaibhavalila, Prakasha Korilo. So the same Lord appeared as Lord Ramachandra and he killed the demon Ravana, who is the personification of lust. So the other yugas, the Lord has chastised the demons by punishing them, by killing them. But in this yuga especially, the two kinds of qualities are there in one person, as a demon or as a sura. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in this yuga, he established Yuga Dharma, the chanting of the congregation of the holy names of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So one in this age of Kali Yuga, if they take up the holy name of the Lord, they can get free from this lust, anger, greed and enviousness. So this is the powerful weapon which is to destroy the enemy within our heart. So everyone has the Ravana within their heart, the lust. So in order to overcome from this lust, we have to surrender to Lord Ramachandra. We have to surrender to the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. And then when we practice chanting the holy names of the Lord, definitely we'll be overcoming these demons. The tendency of lust, greed and enviousness will be gradually eradicated from our heart. So such a potency the holy name of the Lord has. So on the occasion of Lord Ramachandra Ramanavami, please take a vow of chanting the holy names of the Lord. So myself, I am traveling to various villages and I want to expand more and more and travel to many villages and preach about the glories of cow, Bhagavad Gita and holy name. So I humbly request all the devotees to kindly bless me to fulfill this mission of Guru and Gauranga. And today on this auspicious occasion of Lord Ramachandra Ramanavami, I want to begin this mission. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.